Alright guys, so here at lunch, just knocking out some holes here, gonna do a 2.5 inch hole there. So this is transformer, so I'll be running the wires in here. The incoming and then the outgoing is on top. So power is gonna be coming from the top of this panel down to here. And then it's gonna be going out to this panel over here, 480, or I think it's 40. I haven't checked yet, but I already did the other one on the other side, so I'll show you that at the end of the day, but I'm gonna go grab some lunch. I just want to give you a little look-sees in here, show you guys what's up, what a transformer looks like and all that good stuff, so. Alright, catch you later. Alright guys, so we finished these up. The other one is already all closed up. This one is kind of closed up too, so you can't really see anything now. But we got all the wires in for here and in here. As you can see, the other one was done correctly. I mixed these up by accident, so I messed up on that. The other panel was on the left, and this longer one was on the right on the other one down there. So I just kind of went with it, and I should have double checked. So I drilled the holes, the 2-inch hole here, so that was fine to make this hole bigger. But this hole was the 2.5, so they had to put a reducing washer on it to get it down because the hole was too big. So that was my bad, and it kind of looks crappy, but it is what it is. So I messed up on that, but it didn't seem too mad, but it just kind of looks ugly. But other than that, got her done. So yep, it was a good day besides that, and that I forgot my belt, so I've been pulling my pants up all day. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed that. This is a transformer, and this is a 3-phase, and it's going 40 volt to I think 120. I'm not sure. This is the 480. This is the 480 panel, and this is, let's see if it says here real quick. This is 225 amps, 208, 120. So yeah, this is in black, red, blue, white, neutral, green, ground, and then 480s, brown, orange, yellow. So anyways, yeah, that was fun hooking these up today. Landed all these wires, the 120s, the 480s, and the grounding. And on the other one around the corner, I just did the 120s, the 480s were already done, and landed one of the grounds. So yeah, it was pretty fun. So yeah, that's what I did today. Nice and simple. But yeah, just don't assume anything, whether it's the power's on or if the panel's on the left and a panel on the right. You always want to double check. So that was my bad. So live and learn, I guess. So anyways, guys. Alright guys, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. Thanks for checking out the video. Had a great day, besides messing up that one thing. So anyways, live and learn. I hope you guys enjoyed. Also, I was gonna say, if you want to help support me and you enjoyed the video, press like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Helps me grow, and it helps me know that you guys appreciate the videos. Social media is down below in the description for Instagram and Twitch and all that good stuff. Xbox, if you guys want to play Fortnite. And I think that should do it. I feel like I'm missing something. Anyways, the channel will be getting better once I hit 1,000 subscribers. More giveaways, and what else was I going to say? Mobile live streaming, because right now they changed the settings again on YouTube, so I can't mobile live stream. So I'll be doing a lot more live streaming, which will be great. Connect with you guys, answer questions, hang out, all that good stuff. So anyways, I'm just grabbing some donuts right now. So I will see you guys later. Have a great weekend. Stay safe out there. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out. Oh, more Corvette videos coming out soon, so be on the lookout for that. I'll try to get one out this weekend, hopefully. I have one that I have to make, that I took someone for a ride. And then there's a mystery video, and I might not release that, but we'll see. Alright guys, stay tuned. Catch you later.